Namaste everyone for the episode 62 of Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Today we are learning about the stages of mind transformation, how the mind will transform in the state of samadhi. In the previous episode, I told about the three stages, that is about samadhi parinam, ekagrita parinam, and nirodha parinam. But in Patanjali Yoga Sutra, first the third stage has been explained. And today we will learn about first stage and the second stage in Sutra 11 and 12. So it's very interesting when you start experiencing this. I really want you to start meditating on one object or one Kuladevata or one mantra and start exploring and journaling it. कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या अंदर हो रही है. It's a really self-realization journey that you start loving it. Once you start loving it, everything else in your life becomes very nashwar. That means meaningless, and you'll feel more comfortable with your own self, and your life becomes more better. It's my experience that I'm sharing. Just try out. And today we will learn about Samadhi Parinam. Samadhi Parinam is सर्वार्थ एकाग्रतयो क्षयोदयो चित्तस्य समाधि परिणामः. Samadhi parinam is a disappearance and appearance of a distraction and one pointedness of mind. That means from dharan, that means you're concentrating on the object, you went into the uninterrupted stream of concentration, that is a dhyana, then you reach to the state of samadhi. As soon as your mind reached the state of samadhi, that means only object is shining, only Om is shining. When you reach that stage, a glimpses of samadhi state, and again one distraction is there. Again samadhi state, again little distraction is there. You are using your willpower again to just remove that distraction, again to be in that state of samadhi. This is the first stage to even before reaching to the next stage. This is called as samadhi parinama. The mind is undergoing a first stage of transformation where it is just trying to remove the distraction and to enjoy the state of samadhi. That means where only the Om is shining. That period is just trying to stretch it. Okay, this is samadhi parinam. Then we are moving to the ekagrita parinam. There tataha punaha shantoditau tulya pratyayau chittasya ekagrata parinamaha. Then again, when the object which subside and appear are similar, it is called as one pointed transformation of the mind. What it means? Suppose you reach to the samadhi parinam, that means there is a distraction and again coming, and you reach that, and you reach to one state where there is no distraction, there is continuous, there is a samadhi sthiti. That means samadhi sthiti of Om. I'm just giving an example of Om. It may be anything, the object. आप उस पर ध्यान कर रहे हो एंड आपने समाधि स्टेट में हो गए एंड देर इज नो डिस्ट्रैक्शन. आपने पूरा क्लियर कट एक दिख रहा है आपको, मगर वो जो दिख रहा है ना ओम, वही थोड़ा छोटा हो रहा है और वही थोड़ा बढ़ रहा है, वही थोड़ा छोटा हो रहा है, वही बढ़ रहा है, मगर कोई और डिस्ट्रैक्शन नहीं है. दैट इज जस्ट स्टेट ऑफ एकाग्रता परिणामा. एकाग्रता परिणामा. ही सेज ततः पुनः शांतोदितौ तुल्य प्रत्ययौ. तुल्य प्रत्यय मीन्स सेम. ओम इज ओनली देयर. वही छोटा हो रहा है, बड़ा हो रहा है, वही प्रकाश में छोटा बड़ा हो रहा है, मगर कुछ और नहीं है. चित्तस्य एकाग्रता परिणामः. That state of mind is called as ekagrata parinam. See how beautifully it is unlayering. Ki what happens in the samadhi? People say samadhi means nothing. You don't know what anything. Definitely in samadhi state there is no intellectual thing that is happening. मतलब आपके इंटेलेक्चुअल ये नहीं रहेगा. but this is all happening beyond your intellectual experience. It's there, but Sakshi Bhava is also there to experience this all. This is a Ekagrata Parinam. Hope you understood all the three stages of Parinama: Samadhi, Ekagrata, and Nirodha Parinam. Nirodha Parinam I explained in the last episode, that after Ekagrata, after that Om, voluntary आप उस ओम को निकालते जाओगे, फिर से आएगा निकालेंगे, फिर से आएगा निकालेंगे, और एक ब्लैंक स्टेट, एक अव्यक्त, एक निर्बीज समाधि स्टेट में हम आप जाने के एक प्रयत्न में आप रहोगे. दैट इज निरोधा परिणाम. Okay, what are these benefits of 3 stages of transformation that we will learn in the tomorrow's episode, in the next episode? Stay tuned and also share and subscribe. It helps us that you're still really liking our subject, and also please comment what's your opinion about this. Thank you so much.